Megatherm Green Technologies. Our slogan is the future is now. The green technologies for various industries. It is for the foundry castings, forging and metalworking sector, and steel sector. Current issues, what are coming nowadays in the industry of forging, welding, as well as foundries, that the old technologies are giving pollution because they are based on oil and gas fired furnaces. Similarly, the coal fired furnaces of foundries. The current issues, mainly in the steel industries for the long products, are the in the blast furnaces, which are coal based and highly polluting. So, what is the solution in this current scenario? The solution is of the principle of induction. That the induction based technologies is just the brief how the induction takes place about the eddy current and the coal heating. The main solution in induction heating equipment for the forging, for heating, for induction hardening. Similarly, induction melting technologies for foundries. Basically, it is a solid state mechanism which is not giving any pollution. Now, in the steel industries, the induction furnaces are becoming very popular. Now, firstly, I'll take up the foundry and casting sector. Foundry applications in the iron and steel casting units, non-ferrous units, special applications, the induction furnaces are highly recommended. Similarly, in the forging and metalworking sector, mass heating, hardening, and induction heat treatment. We have shown some pictures as well as our prime customers. Megatherm high frequency applications. Application, converter rating, and the type of system we have shown here. It is used for surface hardening, tube welding, wire stress relieving, brazing, soldering, and the equipment is from 12.5 kilowatt to 400 kilowatt, and the frequency range is from 30 kilohertz to 60 kilohertz. These are the snapshots of some high frequency applications. Here it is shown some, the pictures are here for welding, brazing, heating, and hardening. Silicon carbide based MOSFET technology for high frequency applications. In this case, the efficiency of the panel is very high, almost touching 99%. Constant power factor, modular and easy replaceable, 90% smaller and lighter than the existing systems. Very simple plug and place design, multiple frequency, small and cheap cooling unit, and smooth delivery for power for perfect jobs. It is more robust even than the IGBT system. Now I'll take you to the steel sector. Steel sector in the micro steel plants. Like here we have shown a melt shop as well as a casting and rolling unit, which is almost in the L shape. The world produces almost 500 million tons of scrap steel in a year. In many countries, abundant availability of scrap steel has led to the development of micro steel plants. Capacities are typically 100,000 tons per annum to 1 million ton per annum. Now, the carbon dioxide equivalent emissions, if we compare with other technologies, specifically the blast furnaces, scrap based electric arc furnaces, and scrap based induction furnaces. The estimated range of carbon dioxide equivalent in the blast furnace is 2.2 to 2.6. Scrap based EF that is electric arc furnace is 0.6 to 0.8, and in induction furnaces is just 0.3 to 0.4. which is comparatively very low. So that is why this technology is becoming very popular throughout the world. Now, if we compare between electric arc furnaces and induction furnaces, the heads which we have considered is the operational cost, melting, metallurgical, and environmental impact. If we consider the operational cost, the power is less in electric arc furnaces comparison to induction furnaces, but refractory costs, electrode costs, oxygen, and the slag builder. If we compare all those factors, then it becomes pretty high. Similarly, in the melting loss in arc furnaces are 3 to 4%, whereas in induction it is only 0.5 to 1% range. Metallurgical aspect, the decarbonization, desulfurization, and dephosphorization is possible in arc, but in induction it is restricted. So we have to use some AOD or LRF in addition to it. Environmental impact is huge. That is, in case of dust, noise, slag, carbon dioxide due to electrodes, and total pollution, if we consider, then in induction furnaces it is comparatively very low. Now, the melting, refining, and casting, just a diagram we have shown. The process here it is arc furnace, ladle refining furnace, and then caster. Induction furnace, ladle refining furnace, and then caster. Similarly, the third solution is the induction furnace and the low power arc furnace here, which can suffice to reduce the carbon desulfurization as well as dephosphorization. We have sold almost 200 projects in more than 40 countries. The green furnace, which we launched in 2018, has an energy consumption of 475 units per ton for mild steel. And since 2018, almost 25 million ton annual capacity has been added, globally saving approximately 3.9 billion units of electricity, which is a huge impact on the world economy. I mean, we are moving towards the green solution. Our notable clients, we have supplied our furnaces various countries like you see in the France, Poland, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Iran, Georgia, Pakistan, Nigeria, Kuwait, Argentina, Brazil, Malaysia, Ghana, and Kenya. In Indonesia also we have supplied 40-ton furnace at PT Gunung, Rajapakshi, Medan, 25-ton one furnace at PT Jayabadi, Serang, and 15-ton two numbers at PT USD, Surabaya. These are the pictures of our 40-ton induction furnace and crude panel. Now I'll give you a brief about our company, Megatherm. We are one of the largest manufacturer of induction equipment with close to 3,000 installations in 44 countries. These are the various. We are established in 1989. Today, Megatherm is diversified group with wide product range and meeting 3,000 installations in around 44 countries. Our manufacturing setup is in Calcutta and Kharagpur, which is in the West Bengal of India, with total shed area of 250,000 square feet. We have the state-of-the-art manufacturing, R&D, and testing facility. These are our global presence throughout the world, almost spread all over the world except US and Canada. Our main products are induction melting furnaces for steel purpose, that is from 5 ton to 60 ton capacity, induction melting and holding equipment from 5 kg to 50 ton capacity for foundry purpose, induction mass heating equipment from 100 kilowatt to 15 megawatt, induction hardening equipment from 500 hertz to 1000 kilohertz, medium and high frequency induction heating power sources from 50 kilowatt 100 kilohertz to 30 megawatt 150 hertz. We are also making ladle refining furnaces, supplying from 12 ton to 100 ton. Continuous casting machines, mainly two types, the 4 by 7, 2 or 3 strand, and 6 by 11, 2 or 3 strands. Converter duty transformers also we make from 40 up to 50 MVA, that is 11, 22, 33, and 60 kV, 6 kV class. Manufacturing products are also mini electric arc furnaces, ladle refining furnaces, power and distribution transformers from 50 MVA to 132 kV class. We are also undertaking EPC contracts for the steel melt shop up to 500,000 tons per annum. We are also supplying the substations up to 132 kVA. We are ready to give all type of solutions for the mini steel industry, mainly for melting and process automation solutions, SMS operational excellence, power quality solutions, and IT solutions and services. This is the images of our plant in Kharagpur. This bird's eye view. We are making electronic cards of our own. This is some manufacturing facility of heating equipment production. Final assembly areas of crucible and panel. Final assembly areas of crucible and panel again shown here. These are some copper components finished by CNC machines. In-house machining shop for all MS, SS and GM items. In-house fabrication setup includes plasma cutting machines, transformer manufacturing facility. Thank you. Thank you very much to all of you. We are representing in the hall C1, stall number is 6302. You are welcome for any type of clarifications or anything over there. Thank you very much.